How to speed up a video in Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to speed up a video in Canva. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our Canva application here in our browser. Once done, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on a specific untitled design. So as for me, I use the presentation size, which is 16 by 9. Next step that we are going to do is that we are going to simply start looking for a video here in the element section in the left-hand panel of our untitled design. So we're going to look for a video that we're going to add. Now, say for example, we would like to add this specific video right here. A man typing in his keyboard. And simply resize it. To resize, what you're going to do is you're going to simply stretch the buttons in the corners. Once done, click on the share button in the upper right hand corner and then download the video. Make sure that the file type is MP4 video. Now hit on download afterwards. And once you've successfully downloaded the video, the next thing that you're going to do is to open another browser. So in a separate browser, you need to go to 123apps.com. Once you're in the page, simply go to the video tools and look for speed. So here, we can see change video speed. Click on it. And let's exit from the ad. Next is click on Open File button. And choose the file that you would want to edit. So here, we have successfully added the video from Canva. And what we're going to do is we can actually change the speed accordingly. If we want to have it like the fastest, click on the rabbit here and you can simply resize it by dragging on the button. Alright, now once done, click on the save button and again click on the save button once more. Once you have successfully saved the video onto your file, next thing that we're going to do is to go back to our Canva and then go to the left-hand side, go to the upload section and upload the file. So when you upload the file, choose the one that you have edited from 123apps.com and simply drag the video after it has successfully been downloaded or uploaded onto your Canva. And there. If we play the video, you can see the change in speed. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.